Welcome to this review of the Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch, a device that is big on style, big on power, and big on health. This smartwatch is packed with features that will help you stay connected, active, and healthy. The Bip 3 has a 1.69-inch super large and colorful HD display, allowing you to see all your incoming text and calls in awesome, expansive quality. You can express more of yourself with 50+ watch faces and editable watch faces and widgets, or customize with your own photos. With a water resistance depth of 50 meters, you can wear it swimming without worry. With typical usage, the Bip 3 smartwatch has a battery life of up to 2 weeks, allowing you to unplug and enjoy your travels without worrying about charging your device. Despite its powerful battery, the Bip 3 has a super slim and light body, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. The Amazfit Bip 3 is the ultimate device for a healthier, more active life. It provides blood oxygen saturation measurement, monitors your heart rate all day, and provides abnormal heart rate warnings. It also tracks your stress levels and sleep, as well as recording your female menstrual period. The Bip 3 has 60+ sports modes, allowing you to get data for all your favorite sports, like walking, running, and cycling. You can also use it for more free-form workouts like strength training, yoga, and free training. The device helps you smash bigger workout goals by tracking your progress and giving you real-time feedback. With its water resistance grade of 5 atm, you can swim with your Bip 3 without worry. Whether you're swimming laps in the pool or diving into the ocean, this device is built to withstand the water. The Amazfit Bip 3 can be synchronized with your phone to get SMS, phone call, and app notifications. You can control the music playback and camera of your phone, right from your wrist. The smartwatch also offers sedentary reminders, do not disturb, to-do list, and weather forecast functions, as well as enabling the setting of alarms and stopwatches. In conclusion, the Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch is a powerful device that offers an immersive user experience, with its large and colorful display, and its many features designed to help you stay healthy, active, and connected. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone who wants to keep track of their health, the Bip 3 has everything you need to stay on top of your game. You will find the link to the Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch in the description box below the video. Do not forget to support and subscribe to the channel to receive all new